How about this, Will? We just talked about one of the most graphically intense games ever, utilizing a very new gaming technology, ray tracing. They obviously had difficulty delivering that across multiple platforms, including console platforms. What if I were to tell you we just got some ray tracing evidence on the SNES? That's the Super Nintendo, by the way.
Oh.
Yeah, Super RT.
Wow, they do 3D graphics. I remember Star Fox. Yeah. They did.
Star Fox, you needed a little adapter on the cartridge for that extra horsepower. It was not a normal cartridge.
Oh, really?
Am I wrong about that? I believe that's the case. Look it up. Star Fox cartridge. I think it was a little different. Look it up. I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy.
Are you talking about the Rumble Pack for N64?
No, not the Rumble Pack. I think it had... Or is that a... No, it's different, right? We're talking about Super Nintendo, not N64.
Yeah, this one. This cartridge.
Let's see what it says. No, let's see what it says. Star Fox and Yoshi's Island both added processing power to SNES by adding another processor to the game cartridge.
Oh, is it this little chip thing?
Yeah, that must be it right there.
Is it inside the cartridge?
Yeah, it's in there.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. Anyway, it's been done before, but definitely not for ray tracing. I guess just to take performance to another level. Wow, is that a clear version? Wow. Star Fox 2, look at that. Transparent. I guess that's more opaque. Anyway, so this guy builds the Super RT. Let me give the correct shout out right here. It was... Who's responsible for such a thing? It's a YouTube channel.
Shironeko Labs.
What?
It's in the video.
No, his name is Carter. Something Carter.
Okay.
No?
Well, it's in the YouTube video.
Am I crazy here? Okay, you're shouting out the YouTube video. I guess that's the main thing. People can find it. This is a wild... I don't know. It's crazy what people can do. Just you would never expect it. You have ray tracing inside of Super Nintendo, and it's a real thing that's happening with the light elements reflections. Now, obviously, you're still heavily limited by resolution here, but look at that cube in the back.
Oh, yeah. Real-time reflections and
Real-time reflections. SNES. Imagine how different our reality would have been had that rolled out at that moment. I'm sure it couldn't have. But I'm trying to picture young Lou interacting with Super RT. Picture that version of Mario on SNES.
Your head would explode.
Real-time ray traced Mario back then. It's a kind of funny project. It's called Super RT. It's a mod, and it offers an alternate look. And I don't know that you can do anything with it personally. I suppose you could also experiment yourself. But this is more of a kind of, I suppose it's what would you call it? A scientific project, just for the love of the game.
Yeah.
Type of thing. It doesn't seem to be commercially viable, Will. Maybe. I don't know. People are collecting cards like crazy.
Yeah.
So
if it can run 24 frames per second, it's playable.
You're happy? Okay. You can go pick up those. Yeah. I don't know, Will.